hope you've been enjoying this tablescape and my rendition of the Fall Birthday Queens collaboration. Now, our Fall Birthday Queens and our host for this collaboration are Creations by Simone, Interior Styles by Tawn, Table Talk with Robin, Buckeye Girls, Wreaths and Things, and Design to a T. Now, I've left links to all of their channels down in my description box along with the playlist, and I really hope that you will go and visit all of these ladies' channels today. Now, we also have co-hosts for this collaboration, and they are the Glam Elegant Living rather, and that is Lady Alex. She is our founder. There's also at Penny's Place, the Rodgers House, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and myself, I'm Tablescapes by Candy. Now again, I've left links to everyone's channels along with the playlist, and I hope that you'll go and visit everyone today. Also, if you're not a member of Tablescapes by Candy, I hope that you'll consider subscribing. On this channel, you will see me do tablescapes, and most of them will be created from DIYs that I've made on my DIY channel. My DIY channel is DIY Design by CCW. Now, I've left links to everything down in my description box, and again, I hope that you'll go and visit, and that you'll decide to subscribe to both channels today, and that you'll go and visit all of the ladies. So again, thank you so much for watching, and like I say at the end of every video, I can't wait to see you, each and every one of you, in the next video. All right, everyone, have a wonderful day or a wonderful night. Bye-bye.